Unraveling the Mystery. What does "beats me" mean? Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a short but sweet topic to discuss. One that might have left you scratching your head in conversations with native English speakers. The phrase, "beats me." Don't worry if you haven't figured it out yet. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand it, but you'll be able to use it like a pro. You've probably encountered scenarios where someone asks a question, and the other person responds with, "beats me." This phrase is a colloquial way of saying, "I have no idea," or, "I don't know." It's a casual and informal expression commonly used in English-speaking countries. But why the word, beats? Interestingly, in this context, beats is used to convey that the question or problem has defeated the person speaking, as in they can't come up with an answer. It's as if the question is so challenging that it wins over their knowledge. Let's talk about how to use "beats me" correctly. It's used in informal settings when someone is asked a question to which they genuinely do not know the answer. It's not typically used in formal situations or writing. Here are a few examples. Q. Who left the door open? A. Beats me. Q. What's the capital of Kyrgyzstan? A. Beats me. Remember, tone and context are important. Saying, "beats me," with a smile can come off as friendly, but in the wrong context, it might seem dismissive. Make sure to gauge the situation and the person you're speaking with. While "beats me" is understood and used widely, there can be regional variations. For instance, some may say, "got me," or "I haven't got the faintest idea." These all serve the same purpose but can add a bit of local flavor to your conversations. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase also embodies a certain humility and honesty. It's okay not to know everything. Using such expressions makes conversations more relaxed and personable. And that wraps up our quick guide to understanding and using "beats me." We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and that you'll feel comfortable incorporating this phrase into your casual English conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, every new phrase is a step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and beat the challenges of learning English one phrase at a time. See you in the next video.